Hello, today I'm going to show you how I make simple yet delicious grilled swordfish. Start by drying off your swordfish steaks. Grab a large bowl. Start by adding the following: 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey. Don't forget the hot seeds. Half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, fine sea salt and black pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Give it a good mix. Then add your swordfish steaks. Marinate it in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Grill at 325 degrees. Serve with couscous or rice. Garnish with fresh chives. Add a couple lemon wedges and you're all set. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe below.